Good morning, student. I am Manish Pandey from LP Public School. Today I am going to explain you third chapter of class 6, and that is Go Girl Go. Actually, sport in India has been largely about men. Actually, in India, people, men always participate in sports and games, and women not as participating as men. But in 2018, women changed the world of Indian sport. So what happened in 2018? We are going to know about that. At the Asian Games in Jakarta, Indonesia. So in 2018 Asian Games in Indonesia held, and Commonwealth Games in Queensland, Australia held. Talented and hard-working Indian sportswomen broke many records in both the events and won more medals than ever before. It means till Asian Games and Commonwealth Games, they did not win more medals, but in both the events they bagged so many medals. Okay, whether it was gold, silver, or bronze. Okay, so now we are going to read about three great personalities. Okay, excel in both the events. First, Hima Das, second, Swapna Bauman, and third, Vinesh Bhagat. Okay, so read these newspaper reports about three sportswomen who performed exceptionally at the Asian Games at 2018. In Asian Games held in Jakarta, Indonesia, 2018, three sportswomen excelled in their field and bagged so many medals there. Okay, so we will read about them one by one. First, so here are some paper cuttings on paper about Hima Das. Won India's first ever gold medal at the IAAF World Under 20 Athletes Championship in Finland in 2017. So this is some facts about Hima Das. So full form of IAAF is equal to is International Association of Athletes Federation. So Hima Das, when she was under 20, she went to Finland in 2017 and won first gold medal ever by an Indian woman. Okay, born near the town of Dhiang and called the Dhiang Express by fans. So her fans give her a new name, Dhiang Express. And he supports education for girls in her village. So Hima Das is doing something for a noble cause, is doing something for education of girls in her village. Okay, now, so after she won the medals, newspapers published news about her winning a gold medal. So we will read that. Congratulations are pouring in for India's star athlete from Assam. So Hima Das belongs to Assam. So when he won the medal, just many people many people started giving her message of congratulation. Okay. She recently won 1 gold and 2 silver medals for the country. So she bagged 1 gold and 2 silver medals for her country, India, in the Asian Games and Jakarta. So it means in Asian Games 2018 she won 3 medals, 1 gold and 2 silver. The sprinter opened her account with a fantastic finish in the women's 400 event. So her first medal was in 400-meter event, and she began winning medals after that. So sprinter means who can run really fast. That is called a sprinter. Okay. She won the silver with a record timing of 50.59 seconds. So, with a record time, she took 50.59 seconds to bag a silver medal. She followed it up with a silver in the mixed 4x400 meter relay. 4x400 meter relay, she bagged a silver medal also. She was also a part of the women's quartet that won the gold in the 4x400 meter relay. Quartet means a group of 4 athletes. So each athlete will take 400 meters. After 400 meters, new athlete will come and run. So she bagged gold medal in that event. Her coach first spotted her in an inter-district event in 2016 when she was taking part in inter-district level competition. Her coach recognized her. Her coach recognized her that she can excel in this field. She bagged the gold in both 100 meter and 200 meter. So she got gold medal in 100 meter and 200 meter. It means both events won by Hima Das. She would start slow and peak towards the end. So when he was starting the race, he was running very slow, but she was at her peak when race was about to end, which made her perfect for 400 meter events. So her coach saw her ability and gave her chance in 400 meter. And so she shifted to 400 meter. So now she started running in 400 meter rather than 100 meter and 200 meter. Hima says that she was interested in sports from her childhood. Hima says that when she was interested in sports. She was thinking to take part in sports in India. Initially, she dreamed of representing India in football. Actually, first of all, she wanted to be a football player. She wanted to be a football player. She was dreaming to play for India. Her family says, the member of her family says that a school teacher made her choose athletes over her first love. Her first love was football. She wanted to be a football player. But her school teacher made her choose athlete as her first profession. Okay, can you me? Okay, children, let me tell you, like Hima Das, you can also be a good player in any sports. Okay. And now she is one of nation's star athlete. Now Hima Das is #1 athlete in India. She has become star athlete for India. She is taking part in Olympics. She is taking part in Asian Games. She is taking part in Commonwealth Games. Okay. So, if you want to be athletes or a football player, what we should do? We should do work hard. We should work hard to excel in sport, games and sports. Now, second personality is Sapna Burman, and for Sapna Burman, I will tell you something. First, I will tell you what medals she won in what event. Won the gold at 2017 Asian Championship for heptathlon. So she won gold medal in 2017 for heptathlon. Okay. So heptathlon is a track and field event. It is a combined event contest made up of 7 events. So you have to complete 7 events, and then finally judge will choose you as a winner. Received rupees 1.5 lakh as annual sports scholarship from Great Sports in 2016. So she got a scholarship in 2016. Hails from Jalpaiguri in West Bengal. So she belongs to West Bengal. Sapna Burman, the heroic heptathlete. Okay. Now we will read about Sapna Burman. Sapna Burman placed first India's first ever heptathlon gold at Asian Games this year. She accumulated to 6,026 points from the 7 events that she competed in over 2 days. So that event ended in 2 days, and in 2 days she took part in 7 events. Okay. And she got 6,026 points overall, and she was announced winner in that event. The 7 events were, what were the 7 events? The 7 events were high jump, javelin throw, shot put, long jump, 100 meter, 200 meter and 800 meter run. Okay. So she completed all the events and she got 6,026 points. She was a junior national record holder in high jump. So he was record holder in high jump, junior record holder. Before she took up heptathlon on the advice of her coach, but her coach spotted her and told her, please take part in heptathlon, you will do well. Subhash Sarkar is the name of her coach. Okay. Subhash Sarkar trained her. The heroic heptathlete had to fight pain and discomfort throughout the Asian Games. Actually, when she was taking part in Asian Games, she was going through a pain and discomfort because of hard practice. She was not comfortable, but still she managed to get a gold medal. So this is not light things. Okay, she did hard work and she bagged the gold medal for India. Okay, she made proud her parents. Her parents felt proud. Okay, because of their daughter. She has an extra toe on each foot and did not have customized shoes to suit her feet. Actually, she was going through some problem, and because of that problem, she did not have customized shoes. Okay, she did not have regular shoes to suit her feet. She also had a terrible toe catch on the day of the final event, and when she was going to take part in final event, she was had tooth paining, showing courage and determination. But Swapna Burman was very much determined. He showed courage on her part. She won the gold medal and made history for India. Despite all these problems, she went and took part in the event and she won medal for India. She won it on India's national sports day. So on that very day when she won gold medal, on that day we were celebrating India's national sports day. It was very great, which made it extra special. It was extra special. Her next target is to do well in 2020 Olympics. Now she is working hard for 2020 Olympics, and she wanted to bag some more goals in Olympics. And now third personality is Vinesh Phogat. Okay, so we will read about Vinesh Phogat, how she came over all her difficulties and managed to win medals for India. Okay, Vinesh Phogat beat Yuki Eri of Japan in the final of the women's wrestling at the Asian Games 2018. It means Vinesh took part in 2018 Asian Games and she defeated Yuki Eri of Japan and managed to win the medals for India, thus becoming the first Indian woman wrestler to win a gold medal at the Asian Games. She defeated wrestler of Japan and won the medal. First ever gold medal won by Indian women wrestling. Earlier on her way to the final, Vinesh had defeated Yanan Shun of China. So before beating wrestler of Japan, she defeated wrestler of China. Vinesh had suffered a heart-breaking leg injury during the Rio Olympics against Sun. When she was taking part against Sun, her leg was seriously broken. She did not allow her to affect her, but despite all these difficulties, she did not allow that to affect her performance. Okay? She came out a winner with an incredible score of 8-2. Score was 8-2 in her favor. That was incredible. When she landed in Jakarta, the wrestler was more than 4 kilograms above the required weight for her category. Actually, there is some specified categories, and if you are taking part in 62 kg, so your weight should not be more than 62 kg, but her weight was more than 62 kg, 4 kilograms more than what it was required. She had to lose 4 kilograms in 3 days to participate in that event. So actually she was very determined. No, I will take part. So she had to lose 4 kilograms in 3 days so that she can take part in that event. She was on a liquid diet for 3 days. So she was only taking liquid for 3 days. Worked out in a non-air conditioned hall to increase sweating and doubled the number of training sessions. Actually, she increased number of training sessions to lose her weight, and she managed to lose her weight at the end. She did lose 4 kilograms but was not at her peak during the competition. But during the competition, she was not doing well and she was not at her peak. What she is supposed to do? Yet in a brilliant display of mental strength, actually she was mentally very strong to display her mental strength. She won the gold medal and still she managed to win gold medal. She won many medals and other events including a silver at 2018. So in 2018 she managed to bag silver medal. Asian Wrestling Championship in Kyrgyzstan and a gold at 2018 Commonwealth Games in Queensland, Australia 2018 Commonwealth Games. She managed to win gold medal and she did work hard to get all these things. She did work hard and she got her desired result. Okay. Indian sports has clearly come a long way. Okay. Now we have spent a long way. With 2018 bringing India 66 medals at the Commonwealth Games and 69 medals at the Asian Games. At the Asian Games, we won 69 medals and Commonwealth Games we won 66 medals. Women played a major role at both the sports events. Okay, they won 12 gold, 10 silver, and 6 bronze medals at the Commonwealth Games. In Commonwealth Games, Indian women won 12 gold. We bagged 12 gold, 10 silver, and 6 bronze medals, and 4 gold, 12 silver, and 11 bronze medals at Asian Games. So, children, in this way, we can see that Indian women did hard work and they got their desired result. So nothing is impossible. If you are determined and if you are planning to do something, you will achieve your desired result. So I would like to convey this message. Be clear on your part. What you want to do that, follow that. Okay? Some rules, we are telling you some rules. You have to follow those and we are guiding you. We are your mentor. So we are time to time we will tell you how to excel yourself. Okay? Thank you very much. Thank you children once again for watching my video. Once again, thank you very much.